don't like this one.
What?
You know I just ate, right?
Did you?
I just ate. Fuck. God damn, nigga. Oh, fucking no. What?
Where?
What you said?
There's a cop.
Yo. Fuck. Oh, shit.
Oh,
fuck.
It's been about 10 months to a year that I've been AFK off YouTube, and I just want to apologize. In this video, I'm going to address what I've been up to. What's up with the cars? What's going on? Why is there no Risky Rabbit videos? The story I got for you guys, stay tuned because it's about to get real serious out here, alright? Stay tuned and let's get right into it. So this is the first part of my story. Starts off with I was going over to a friend's house and we were gonna have like a late night barbecue. I'm trying to park in the front yard of my friend's house and I didn't see it was a ditch because it was dark at night. It fucked up my front lip. It was kind of damaged, you know. It wasn't perfect. It was looking ugly. So that's the first L-bomb right there. So now fast forward to December of 2018. I just got to work. It was about 7 o'clock p.m. and whatever. I'm in my lane. I'm trying to turn. It's a one lane for turning. So this lady is trying to force her way into my lane while I'm in it. And I'm like, I thought it was rude. So I was like, I'm not letting you in, lady. Nah, fuck that. Fuck out of here. We were just both inching forward. And me, I'm very cocky and stubborn. So I'm like, I'm not letting you through. I don't give a fuck. I'm pissed off. I'm done with all this traffic. And it's a really long line for this turning lane. I'm not gonna let you in. You should have waited when you were back there. I was being kind of a dick, but she was being stupid and forcing her way in and being rude. So I was like, you don't even have a turn signal on. I'm not gonna let you in, whatever. We're both inching forward, until pretty much she hits my front bumper, messing up the paint, and it kind of like came off a little bit and had a little dent, and the front bumper looked pretty bad. Pretty much I called for someone to come out. I got a police report. It said that she was at fault. So I'm like, all right, great, you're at fault, lady. I don't care, you're crazy. Because she was crazy. She was calling me stupid, but she was crazy and rude. But whatever. So she lost that battle. I got her insurance information. That means now that she's at fault, she has to pay for it. That was pretty much like a week before Christmas, so I have to wait until like the new year. Fast forward to the new year. So here we are, the first week of January 2019. I sent my car to the shop I want. Pretty much I spent like a good week before the insurance company can go and check it out. Because Windhaven, you completely suck. Windhaven, if you're watching this, I want you guys to know that you guys are a shitty ass insurance company. You guys are literally the worst. Whatever. A lot of other stuff happened, blah blah blah. This part wasn't part of the quote. Just a lot of bullshit with the body shop and the insurance company. It took about a month and a half for it to get done. Now during that time, I got my first dub. I got a W now. I went to Enterprise. I rented the cheapest car online. I'm only gonna have the car there like a week at the body shop and I'll be in and out. Wrong! Went to Enterprise to go pick up my cheap economy car that I paid like 25 bucks a day or something. Right before they close, I show up to Enterprise and I'm like, there to pick up my car. They're like, hey, we don't have any other cars. Would you take a truck? I'm like, hell yeah, I'll take a truck. They give me a 2019 Silverado. I love the Silverado. I'm in love with the Silverado. I want a Silverado really bad. This thing has less than 10 miles on it. I'm like, what? Oh, so happy. I got to use that car for pretty much a whole month for free. So that's my first win right there, you know. I got a dub. Alright. I missed my Z, but it was nice having a truck. The car still wasn't done, so I had to extend it a week past the month. That came out of my pocket. And here we are, 1 month and 1 week. The car's finally done. I go pick it up, and the car is beautiful. I'm telling you guys, because I told them to do some extra stuff to it that I would pay for. Now I have 2 black matching mirrors, the black handles, the car. I told them to match the paint perfectly. They come from factory mismatching very badly. The body shop was able to match it like 99%. It looked perfect. And then with the shaved emblem off, oh my god, the car was looking sweet. I fell in love with it. I was so happy. You don't know how happy I was when I got that car and seeing it all clean and everything, and my black mirrors and handles. Oh, it was awesome. So here's the next part of celebrate the construction, this and that. The car in front of me, I was pretty close to him. Not gonna lie, I was riding him. I was going pretty quick. So the car in front of me, he swerves out of the lane really quick. They didn't give me a chance to react really. And there was 2 traffic cones laying down in the middle of the lane. I had no other option because I can't swerve into the other lane or nothing because there was a car there. I couldn't stop, I couldn't avoid it. I hit those 2 cones going pretty freaking fast. I was like, oh my God, I was so mad. I pulled over to the side of the road off the highway and I got out the car. I see that the whole front bumper is cracked. It's literally cracked in multiple places. The lip, the repair I just got, it cost them $900 just for the bottom part of the Nismo lip. $900, and that's destroyed. The bumper destroyed, the paint fucking scuffed up. It was literally worse than the first accident back in December. I was so done. I was yelling at the side of the road like a crazy person. I was like, fuck! I was super pissed. Super pissed to take another L. No one's gonna pay for this. It's gonna have to come out of my pocket. That's what I'm thinking. This is the worst. That's pretty much what happened because I hit up the state of Florida. They pretty much all ignored me. Nobody wanted to pay for it. And they just wiped their hands with it like this. I got wrecked. And if you think that's bad luck, I got a little cherry to put on top of the bad luck ice cream. Just a brand new scoop of bad luck right here. Just bam. So not only did I get that L, but now I gotta get another L. Back-to-back L's out here. Me and my girl, the plan was we were gonna drive over to Target to buy some stuff. It was raining really bad. Like it was pouring rain. I told her, I was like, hop in my car because my car got AC and I am not gonna go in your car because we're gonna suffocate. We'll take my car, we'll be good. Straight. We're just gonna drive over to Target, buy some stuff, and come right back to the house. Wrong! My wipers are on max. I can't see. It's starting to get really bad, like flooding wise, and I'm trying to avoid puddles. I'm like, wow, I wasn't expecting this. And I'm like, well, whatever, we gotta keep going. We're almost there. I'm literally down the street from the Target and we run into the deepest puddle of life. That thing was like 3 feet, something like that. It's insane. I have pictures. Look at all the pictures I got. As I'm going through this deep puddle, I didn't realize how deep it was. And I'm like, holy shit, I gotta keep going. If you stop mid-puddle, you're fucked. You're gonna drown the car. So I just kept going. It was starting to stall. And I was trying to catch it, see if I could maybe like keep it running. And it's just dead, literally dead in the water. And I'm like, I'm not gonna start it right now because if I start it mid-puddle, I'm gonna ruin the engine. I'm not gonna do this. We're middle of the puddle, first car to get stuck. Literally the first car to get stuck in this puddle. It's about like, I think like 6 o'clock, you know, so it's still daylight. And I'm flipping shit. I am losing my shit completely. I'm like, oh my God. I'm just worried about everything. I'm like, I destroyed my engine right now. I'm flipping shit. My girlfriend's trying to get me to calm down. I'm losing it. So my girlfriend's like, all right, hop out of the car and see if you can push it because the water's getting deeper. And I look out and I'm like, she's right. The water is getting deeper. We got to get the fuck out of here. I get back out there barefoot and I'm pushing the car and I'm just getting soaking wet. I'm completely drenched in water, soaked. And I'm pushing this car by myself with everything I got. And I'm pushing it. I pushed it pretty much like, I'd say like 75% out of the water. And then I still had a little bit more to go until I was in the clear. And I was just completely maxed out. I was just giving it everything I got. Everything. My feet are slipping, my hands are slipping. And I'm like, I can't, I need a help. I'm still pushing though. And then there's a truck next to me and he's watching me. And he's looking at me, push my car in the rain. And I'm like, dude, I need help. That's what I'm thinking in my head. So he literally hopped out of his truck. We pushed it to the side of the road. We got out of the puddle thanks to this guy. Thank you, whoever you were. Thank you. I just gave him a hug in the rain. I was like, oye, gracias. Thank you. I appreciate you. Nobody does that nowadays. You know, it's like, it's really nice of someone to do that. To get freaking soaking wet for someone else and help them out like that. That's super cool, man. I got back in the car. I'm soaking wet. My seat is soaking wet because I'm soaking wet. Everything's wet. And we're there waiting. And I'm trying to figure out the situation. I'm thinking, okay, well, I got to call my insurance company. Let them know what's up. I got to get this car towed out of here. Right there, I was trying to call the insurance company, try to get a tow truck out. No tow trucks were coming out because how bad the weather was. That the city called like a high weather alert. So no tow trucks were coming out. I was there waiting. My girlfriend's like, once again, she's like, hey, the water's getting deeper. And it just kept raining. It was raining. And the water's literally was getting deeper. The puddle was getting bigger. It was chasing us. But once again, their headlights on. I was like, who the hell is that? And then it turns out to be these two chicks. They hop out, they help me. We pulled my car even further up the hill. Now we're completely out of the water, we're good. And I was like, oh, do you guys need help? So then I gave them the helping hand because their car was stuck, and we pushed their car up the hill. That was super cool, you know, just like people helping people out of Miami and Dade County. I didn't get home till like about maybe midnight. I had to get my car towed home because I didn't want to start it. I waited till one of my off days, and I took the car to a shop. Shout out to Leonardi Performance. Pretty much we got the Z started. It was good that I didn't start it. It wasn't running bad. It was running good. There wasn't no ticking. We changed the oil. We were good. The motor was straight. I'm gonna count that as a dub. We got a W. I thought the engine was gonna be hydro-locked, and we got lucky and the engine wasn't hydro-locked. But we did get water to the sensors and shut off and stuff like that. I thought I was gonna have to take yet another L, but we got lucky on that one. The Z is completely fine. As you can see, I'm driving it right now. She's good to go. It could have been a lot worse. So the day of the flood, the car got even worse because of the water hitting something. The bumper just got worse conditions, but we were able to fix it up at Leonardi's shop and like with zip ties and stuff. So it's ugly, but the plastic isn't dragging on the floor or the lip. It's all messed up. The front bumper's messed up. And it's just, it sucks. But whatever, we're gonna come back, and we're gonna come back even harder with the Z. We're gonna change the front end. I don't know when, but we're gonna change that front end and it's gonna look sweet. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone that comes out and watches my videos. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. Every like, hit that like button because it helps. And I really appreciate it. Thank you for the love. More content's coming, I promise. I don't know where YouTube's taking me in the next couple of years, but I'm not done yet. We got a long way to go. We're close to 2,000. We're gonna get there. Peace.